Ronald, turn him around this way. Whee! Hey! Can you do that funny noise? Ooh. Oh, it drives me crazy. He won't do it when I film him. Ronald. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, he won't do it, the little bugger.
Where are you going?
He wants you to... Aww.
Thank you for the medicine, the Tylenol. Thank you for the Tylenol. Take the Tylenol. Throw it away.
Funny. Oh! Go. Oh!
Sounds like a dying dog.
Oh!
Are you a dying dog?
He's been able to do that since he was a baby, and I finally got him to film. Dying dog. A dying dog. Go, ooh! Ooh! Oh. 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 Ooh. It's so funny. Ooh. You do it again? I can't believe I finally got it on film.
Hey, Junior. Hey, Junior. You can't exactly detach my toes.
So I finally got him to do that. Yay!
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Probably.
Oh, for a second I thought that it wasn't recording.
Oh my god, I would have laughed.